Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ringkat bat karihi berakawai, haka arpun reu terik mentau naiwing arah kat kandai. Haka ni ke jalan Meghalaya ru la Rakhe ke sengi ke pekerpang jong kiriti sencar. Ne ya kata ke balatem kum ke Constitution Day 2019. Bat haka nang ba Shillong ya kini ke Rakhe la pelong da ke Shillong Law College. Haka ni ke Rakhe la don ringkat ru senior advocate ubalong ru president jong ke Shillong High Court Bar Association uba GS Masar kum kongsan ringkat u secretary ke governing body Shillong Law College u DB Gurung kum sembut kongsan. Kiwai de ki balai don lang haka ni ke sengi kentom ya u principal jong ke Shillong Law College ubala ai ki kentian perang halor ke jing Rakhe ke sengi. Lasdang ke jing Rakhe hak ke stem da ke jing thang ke syarak da ki kenram kilendan bat ke jing ruwa ke national anthem. Both parts sa ke jing ajing kran na kongsan ban na usum bot kongsan. Hadin ke jelang play ke jing Rakhe. La pen both parts sa ya ke lempung ya tai haki saudong kenro. Halor ke phang pedeng ke balabo hak ten English ke baong. Dr. Ambedkar on the rights of minorities and social justice, contemporary challenges.
Human rights, this has everything. All the talks is about the rights which we have to get. And we expect that everybody should follow to give us our rights. But what we have forgotten most of the time is the duties. And in Article 51A, the Constitution has provided us the duties, fundamental duties. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspire a national struggle for freedom, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. We can demand our legal rights, even our fundamental rights, if we are to follow, if we have followed the fundamental duties. To my mind, the fundamental duties are more important than our fundamental rights. Fundamental rights will come to us, but we must have the fundamental duties. And no fundamental rights can operate or can be or can be used if we don't have the fundamental duties. These are the things that are written in the Constitution. I request the teachers, the students, all types of students, whether these law students or other students also, to read the Constitution, especially these fundamental rights and fundamental duties, because they go hand in hand. You don't expect to get the teachers, don't expect to get the pay, which is their fundamental right, without teaching, and teaching it properly. The student is not supposed to pass whatever they study if they don't study hard. So these are the duties. You have the duties and the rights. They go together, hand in hand.
Which our President has very nicely mentioned, and I would emphasize that one. It is the duties and responsibilities. This is the extremely because the dignity and the reputations the Shillong Law College as institutions primarily, fundamentally depends not only on the management, but how our teachers and our staff members behaves and again maintains the dignity by themselves individually and as a unit of society. And when we say again the duties and responsibilities of our students as well. We want from our management, our students should be giving their percentage of attendance should be 100%, not the 70%. But again, that is not happening. The regulation provides another 5% you can give the concessions to those students who are not fulfilling the requirements of that 70%. And we noticed this time, earlier, it used to be rampant. The percentage, there was the percentage of attendance till 2014 and 15, I was really bewildered that there was the existence of percentage was never taken into account. Let us face the reality. This was the reality we faced over here. But for the last few years, we have been following this one very, very seriously. And we want that our students' percentage to be very good so that they can sit for the semester examinations.